What's up mga kapadyak? Maglilinis tayo ng bike. Grabe, nung last race sobrang dumi pala ng bike ko. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Ito, kakatanggal ko lang ng kadena. Sobrang nanggigitata. Yan ang ating kadena. Sobrang dumi. Alikabok, langis, saka alikabok nagsama. Kaya yan, natuyo na. Tapos yan naman ang kalagayan ng ating chainring. Sobrang dumi. Yan. Oh, ha? Oh, grabe. Ngayon kadumi yan. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Oh my gosh. Yung oil slick na kadena ko naging black na. Maglilinis tayo ng kadena. At ito ang gagamitin natin. WD-40. Okay, let's go. Yan ang ating kadena. Gamitin natin ito. Improvise. Lumabas agad yung kulay niya.
It's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days are never ending. No, our days are never ending. No. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Maglilinis tayo ng bike sa labas.
Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, light our lanterns, paint the night sky red, paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No, come on, baby, let me tell you one time that
kulang ng sabon. Kaya dagdag tayo ng sabon. Sa labas pa ako naglilinis ng pati. Yan ang ating sabon. Kulang pa. Kailangan pang gamitan ng WD-40.
Non-stop just for this life, but you acting dirty and flirty when we in the booth, man, it's business, alright? Disrespect me one more time and you gon' see me impolite. You asking me to stay tonight, but you just asking for a fight. Yeah, we can smoke a blunt and have a laugh and that's alright. Don't you trip, cause I'm a flip, I don't play nice. You'll be making these assumptions, making these assumptions.
Gamit ko palang sabon is Tide lang para matanggal lang yung langis, saka yung ng WD-40 para ma-applyan natin ang panibagong oil, which is maghahanap tayo sa bike shop ng proper oil talaga na pwede gamitin. Kadena. Alright, I think ayos na yan. Pwede na yan. Pangit niya na ngayon, hindi na ganun kaganda. Ayan siya, clean as you go. Hindi ko na binasa itong upuan kasi tela to, mahirap patuyuin. Yung Kadena natin.
These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm scream. Okay, this the dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now.
Ipitan natin yung medyo ng rotor kasi last time nung nag-race kami lumuwag siya. Kaya kailangan ipitan ngayon, mahirap na. Lagi yung titignan tong disc rotor kung maluwag o sikip kasi lagi yang lumuluwag from time to time na nagra-ride kayo para sure safe lagi sa daan. Naigpit naman. Naigpitan ko siya. Kakalam ko naigpitan ko siya nung nakaraan. Pero mas maganda na mag-double check. Ayos, maigpit. Babalikan natin ang ating kadena.
Best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Mau kumain? Ayaw pala. Pagtatapatin nyo lang yan, magkabilaan. Sok. Push lang ng konti. Ayan na. Yan lang yan dapat. Yan. Saka natin tulak. Paano ba? Kailangan ito nandito sa taas. Ito natin, dali natin ito sa taas. Yan. Ito na siya. Hindi pa yan naka-lock. Ang gagawin natin is pupush lang natin ito ng malakas para mag-lock yan. 1, 2, 3. Yan, ganun lang. Naka-lock na ulit siya. Yan. Alright. That's it, guys. Yan ang ating paglilinis ng kadena ngayong araw. Malinis na ulit siya. Pwede na ulit pang ride. Malinis na naman si Java Puria. Alright, hanggang dito na lang ulit ang ating bike cleaning for today. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Subscribe. Ride safe. Peace!